Did you know that some of the most powerful medicines in the world are not found in pharmacies, but in your kitchen and garden? From boosting immunity to fighting inflammation and improving digestion, herbs have been used for thousands of years as natural healing tools. In today's video, we're counting down 10 powerful herbs, their amazing health benefits, and exactly how you should use them for maximum results. Stay until number 1. It's a life-changing herb most people underestimate. 10. Thyme, the natural lung cleaner. Health benefits. Supports lung and respiratory health. Fights coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Improves digestion and reduces bloating. How to use. Brew thyme tea using fresh or dried leaves. Add to soups, stews, and roasted vegetables. Inhale thyme steam for congestion relief. 9. Parsley, the blood purifier. Health benefits. Detoxifies kidneys and liver. Rich in vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants. Freshens breath naturally. Supports heart health. How to use. Eat raw in salads or smoothies. Drink parsley water in the morning. Add fresh to meals just before serving. 8. Fenugreek, the metabolism booster. Health benefits. Helps control blood sugar levels. Supports weight loss and digestion. Improves milk production in breastfeeding mothers. Enhances testosterone and hormone balance. How to use. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight and drink the water. Grind into powder and mix with honey. Add to curries and stews. 7. Mint, the digestive healer. Health benefits. Relieves bloating and gas. Soothes stomach pain. Refreshes breath. Reduces headaches and nausea. How to use. Mint tea after meals. Chew fresh leaves. Add to juices and infused water. 6. Rosemary, the brain booster. Health benefits. Improves memory and focus. Enhances blood circulation. Reduces stress and fatigue. Supports hair growth. How to use. Add to roasted vegetables and meats. Brew rosemary tea. Use rosemary oil for scalp massage. 5. Turmeric, the golden anti-inflammatory. Health benefits. Powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Relieves joint pain and arthritis. Boosts immunity. Supports liver health. How to use. Golden milk, turmeric plus milk plus black pepper. Add to curries and soups. Turmeric tea with ginger. 4. Basil, the stress reliever. Health benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety. Supports immune function. Fights infections. Improves digestion. How to use. Fresh basil tea. Add to salads and sauces. Chew leaves on an empty stomach. 3. Garlic, the natural antibiotic. Health benefits. Strengthens immune system. Lowers blood pressure. Reduces cholesterol. Fights infections naturally. How to use. Eat raw with honey. Add crushed garlic to meals. Garlic oil for health benefits. 2. Ginger, the inflammation fighter. Health benefits. Relieves nausea and motion sickness. Reduces inflammation. Improves digestion. Boosts immunity. How to use. Ginger tea. Add to smoothies. Chew raw ginger slices. 1. Moringa, the miracle tree. Health benefits. Extremely rich in vitamins and minerals. Boosts energy naturally. Regulates blood sugar. Strengthens immunity and bones. How to use. Moringa powder in smoothies. Moringa tea. Add leaves to soups and sauces. Conclusion: nature has already given us powerful medicine. All we need to do is use it correctly. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health wisdom every week. Comment below, which herb do you use most?